If you're looking for an out-of-the-box, low-carb keto option, the viral Flying Dutchman onion burger is a choice that you need to make. And I must say, it was surprisingly delicious. Alright guys, we're going to start this off by making our sauce. So to a custard dish, we're going to add some mayo. It could be Duke's, Hellmann's, whatever you prefer. Next, we're going to add some ketchup to the sauce, followed by some Worcestershire sauce. We're going to add some relish. And we have to season it up with some onion powder, garlic powder. Next, we're going to mix it all up. And after we have it mixed all up, guys, this is what we're going to be looking like. For this step, guys, we're going to form 2 4-ounce patties. Now, I like to smash my hamburger patties beforehand. Some people like to put them in a skillet and smash them then. Either way is perfectly fine. But as you can see, once I'm finished, we're going to form a perfectly smashed hamburger patty. Alright guys, so now that we have the hamburger patty smashed out, we are going to add them to a hot cast iron skillet. Okay guys, now that the hamburger patties are inside the skillet, I am going to add some Dijon mustard on top of my patties. You can use whatever mustard that you prefer. Now you know we're going to have to season them up. So in this step, I'm going to add, of course, some onion powder, some garlic powder. Just the basic seasons that should go on any kind of meat. Now we're going to hit it up with some salt. And we're going to add some pepper. After a few minutes, we're going to flip over our hamburger patties. And at this time, you want to start getting out your American cheese or whatever cheese that you prefer to use. We're going to add the American cheese on top of our patties. Okay, after a minute or so, we're going to stack the patty on top of the other patty. We're going to remove it from the pan, and we're going to start working on our onions. So for the onion, it's pretty straightforward. We're going to cut some round slices from our onion. To the same hot skillet, we're going to add our onions. And you know we have to season them up, garlic powder, onion powder. We do not want anything bland coming from this recipe. A little salt, some pepper, and we're just gonna let them cook for a few minutes on one side. After a few minutes, we're going to flip over our onion patties, and we're gonna let them cook a little while longer until they soften up a little bit more. Next, we're going to add 1 slice of American cheese to 1 slice of the onion patties. Then we're going to add our hamburger patties to the onion patties. Put the top on. And guys, that's it. Simple. And you guys know what time it is. It's looking really good. Now we have to see how it really tastes. So let's go in for it. Oh, I almost forgot my sauce. Let's dip it in the sauce. Now we're going to go in for the bite, the moment of truth. Oh yes, it was definitely good. Definitely good. You guys need to try this.